नमस्कार. पळया प्रुडंट खबरो. 15 महिन्यांनी काँग्रेसीक सरकाराची परत जाग. राज्यपालाची शुक्रारा दनपरा अपॉइंटमेंट. 15 आमदारांक घेऊन शक्ती प्रदर्शन. बहुमत सिद्ध करूंक मागता 7 दीस. कर्नाटकान येडियुरप्पाक मुख्यमंत्री पदाचो सोपूत. विश्वासमत सिद्ध करूंक राज्यपालान दिलो 15 दिसाचो प्राझ. काँग्रेस एके वटेन सुप्रीम कोर्टान, दुसरे वटेन निदर्शनां. मुख्यमंत्रीना कॅबिनेट बसका ना. गोयचे सरकार बरखास्त करपाचे. प्रुडंटाच्या डिबेटीन खळाजंगी. गोवा फॉरवर्ड म्हणटा जमता जाल्यार नो कॉन्फिडन्स मोशन हाडात. सांतिनेज घोवान बायलेचो केलो खून करून चलयेक घेवन मारल्यो फुज्ज्यो. पुलिसांनी स्पॉटावेल्यान सुरो मोबायल केलो जप्त. गोंयान अकस्मात पावस वाऱ्याचो मारो. घरादारांचेर झाडां, लायट ना. वादळी वाऱ्यान घराची पांगेरां उक्ती. फायर ब्रिगेड दीस रात बिझी. लायटीच्या खात्याक कोट्यांचो फटको. आणि 7 वुमेन्स फुटबॉल फेस्टिवलान आंबेली क्वीन्स वस्ताद. साळगावकर पावले GSPLच्या सेमीफायनलीत. कर्नाटकाची देख घेऊन गोयचे काँग्रेसीक 15 महिन्यांनी आता सरकार करपाची जाग आयल्या. काँग्रेसीक राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हान शुक्रारा दनपरा 12 अपॉइंटमेंट दिला. 15 आमदार आणि पक्षाचे अधिकारी राज्यपालाक मेळटले. गोयच्या विधानसभेन काँग्रेस सगळ्यात मोठी पार्टी. राज्यपालान काँग्रेसीक बहुमत सिद्ध करूंक दिवचे म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो म्हणयारो यतीश नायक उलयलो. तांकां बहुमत सिद्ध करूंक हे फक्त 7 दीस पुरो.
We were single largest party after the elections with 17 seats. We continue to be single largest party on this day also. And now, in view of what has been done in Karnataka, the counterpart of Goa governor there has invited BJP to form the government, has sworn in Yediyurappa as the chief minister of a BJP government on the premise that they are single largest party in the house. Now in Goa, we were single largest party after elections. We continue to be single largest party today. Therefore, the Goa governor too should call us, invite us as the single largest party to form the government, because we are ready to prove our strength on the floor of the house. You see, anyway, for the last 2 months, this government is a headless government. The chief minister of this state is nowhere to be seen. The chief minister is not at sight. The state is leaderless. It is rendered rudderless. It is moving in a directionless fashion because there is no government at the moment which is functioning. There is administrative chaos in the absence of the chief minister. This chief minister, before he went, he has constituted something called as Cabinet Advisory Committee, which has been unheard of. There are 3 members, 3 ministers in it, and we have seen that it has been rendered to be a pure farce, that CAC is a pure joke. And in this situation, the state has been left without a leader, without a chief minister for over 2 months now. So now, therefore, the Congress party, in view of what has happened in Karnataka, the Congress party in Goa demands that the governor must forthwith dismantle and dismiss this undemocratically installed state government, which is for the moment headless for the last 2 months, and call us as the single largest party in the House and give us an opportunity to prove our strength on the floor of the House by calling a special session, and we are ready to prove our strength within 7 days. You see, the governor should call us at the earliest in these circumstances. It is wrong to say. Who is saying? Then you please listen to me. We have claimed.
We went with the MLA.
Everything was done.
We went with the.
Everything was done. But the governor did not invite us.
We paraded. You don't remember that time. We paraded the MLAs also.
कर्नाटकान सध्या येडियुरप्पा मुख्यमंत्री राज्यपालान ताका सकाळी अधिकार पदाचो सोपूत दिलो. विश्वासमत सिद्ध करूंक 15 दिसाचो प्राज. दुसरे वटेन युती सरकाराचो दावो करपी काँग्रेस आनी जनता दल सेक्युलर सुप्रीम कोर्टान मात कोर्टान सोपूत वेदीक स्थगितीक न्हयकार दिलो. काँग्रेसीन राज्यपालाच्या निर्णया आड निदर्शनां करतात. बीजेपी बहुमताक जाय आशिल्ले 8 आमदार खंयच्यान उबे करतली ताचेर नदर.
ನಾನು BS ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ ಎಂಬ ಹೆಸರಿನ ನಾನು ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿತವಾದ ಭಾರತದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ
ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ.
प्रोटेस्ट काय के लिए? यदि उनको प्रोटेस्ट करना है कांग्रेस को सोनिया जी के, राहुल जी के और सिद्धरामैया के खिलाफ प्रोटेस्ट करना चाहिए.
लार्जेस्ट पार्टी को बुलाया है. लार्जेस्ट पार्टी अगर सरकार बना सकती है तो बनाएगी, नहीं बना सकती तो दूसरी पार्टी को मौका दिया जाएगा. 2001 में कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अपना पक्ष नहीं रखा था. ये इसका फर्क है. और गवर्नर साहब, राज्यपाल साहब का बड़ा ऊंचा ओहदा है. वो सब चीज मद्देनजर देखते हुए, रखते हुए ये डिसाइड करेंगे कि लार्जेस्ट पार्टी को बुलाया है.
मुख्यमंत्री ना कॅबिनेट बसकाना गोयचे सरकार बरखास्त करपाचे. गोंयान सध्या कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल क्रायसिस चल्ल्यात म्हणून प्रुडंटाच्या डिबेटीन खडाजंगी झाली. गोवा फॉवर्ड म्हणटा राज्यपालान कित्याक काँग्रेसीक आफपोवपाक जाय, बहुमत आसा आनी जमता जाल्यार नो कॉन्फिडन्स मोशन हाडात. बेश्टेच उलयनाकात. बीजेपीन मात हे डिबेटीन वांटेकार जावंक न्हयकार दिलो.
That they have the numbers, so call us. We will prove it on the floor of the House. It's a fait accompli. There is no precedent of such a thing what they are demanding. But democratically, they can move a no confidence tomorrow. And throw this government out if we have the numbers.
Do you agree there are constitutional crises in Goa?
Absolutely.
Two,
See,
Rajan Bab's point is very valid. He says if there are constitutional crises and you feel that they have the numbers, they should move the no confidence.
No, yeah,
How do you look at both
yes,
these
yes,
points?
yes,
I'll come
yes,
to you.
yes,
Let others speak, then I'll come
see,
to you.
What happens is, as far as the constitutional crisis is concerned, there certainly is a crisis because we are without a chief minister for 2 months.
If you are going to a state administration without cabinet meetings, isn't it constitutional crisis? 2 months have passed, there is no cabinet meeting. Isn't it constitutional crisis?
Is this a fit
Absolutely,
case?
absolutely.
Is this a fit case to dismiss the
Yes,
government?
absolutely, because it's a fit case because the chief minister is unfit to run it. Admittedly unfit. See, his health condition is there. We wish him the best. But that should not be prolonged to so long that you can't run the government.
decided
We do
to
not
say now?
see.
Rajan Babu, I'll
wait,
come to you.
We do not know.
This is a very major, important question.
As of now,
Yeah.
we do not know his health status.
Yeah.
We do not know whether he is even in a condition to sign something or pass orders. He is there. Now,
Okay.
how can you have a chief minister like that?
Do you think this is a fit case for the governor to dismiss this government?
It is the fittest of the fit case to dismiss this government. I'll tell you, 163 of the Constitution says there shall be a chief minister to aid and advise the governor with his cabinet. Now, here is a case where the chief minister is overseas. When he's going to come, we don't know. All that we know is last 2 months he's not there. There is no cabinet meeting happening because chief minister is not there. He has not handed over charge to anybody to officiate in the absence of the chief minister. In such a circumstance, where is the chief minister to aid and advise the governor?
Let me think.
Time up. You are saying there is no whatsoever case
Yeah.
to even put this government in a grey area.
No way. I'll tell you why. Politics is simple, a matter of numbers. They got the numbers, bring in a no confidence motion, sort the government out. Why are you depending on the governor?
See, it is Trajan is saying bring a no confidence. Where? To bring a no confidence, the assembly must be in
Absolutely.
session,
And they are getting
and it
scared.
has to be discussed at assembly session.
No need.
No
You bring
assembly
it to the-
session.
you
No
bring it to the
assembly
speaker.
session.
Place it
no,
before the speaker.
No, you can place it before the speaker. Who will call the session?
Let to first
the
place
governor
it.
has
Who
why
you
should we
see,
place?
The
Why should we
governor,
place? No,
under the constitution,
For-
the governor has to call the session. And here is
On
a
the
case
advice of the chief
on the advice
minister.
of the chief minister. Where is the chief minister?
Again,
Who is going to call the
asking
session?
the
No,
chief
okay.
minister.
The
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.